It hardly ever rains in the town of Cleverville, and we have a rather large graph here. I'll try and scroll in a reasonable manner. The bar graph provided shows the total number of rainy days in the town for 6 consecutive years. For which of the following 2 years was the average arithmetic mean number of rainy days closest to the number of rainy days in 2002? So notice it says closest. So it doesn't have to exactly equal it, but it should be somewhat close. So let's take a look at 2002. Well, it's just a shade under 75. We'll probably assume somewhere like 74. So total number of days, rainy days in 2002 was 74. So we want to find the average between 2 years that would be closest to 74. So a good way to start out with this is just kind of eyeball it. So if we're looking for 74 here, let's just draw a line across everything and see what kind of 2 years are kind of halfway between the two. Let's see. So here and here, not quite. Here and there, no, that would be right there. But halfway between there and there, no, that would be right there. So just eyeballing it, it kind of looks like 2003 and 2005, and 2006 looks a little bit halfway or so. So let's look at values for 2003 and 2006. 2003, yeah, it's like 59. It's just a shade under 60, so that's 59. Or let's just round up to 60. Let's look at 2006. Well, it's just a shade over 90 there. And we'll just round it to 90. Let's find the average of those two. 60 plus 90 over 2. It's 150 over 2, or 75. Pretty much as close as we wanted to get as reasonable. The answer is D. Whenever it has these kind of questions where you have bar graphs and everything's not kind of precisely labeled, it's okay to just kind of, round things up or down a little bit. When they're not giving you the precise numbers, they don't expect you to make super precise calculations. They just want kind of rounded numbers. So we can be pretty confident in choosing D. Let's go ahead and choose that, make sure we're correct. And we are. Okay, that is it.